I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the essentials: tempo, key, and a lead texture. Pick 60-100 BPM for calm menus or higher for energy, and decide major versus minor to set mood. Once chosen, sketch a concise 4/8 bar loop with a clear motif and supporting chords so you can iterate quickly. Make a template with master bus, markers, and a consistent sample rate. This prevents technical detours. Now record the motif and roughly place the chords. That gives you something playable immediately. Now expand the loop into an evolving bed. Layer a soft pad, a delicate pluck, and subdued percussion to add depth while staying unobtrusive. Automate filter cutoff and reverb sends over an 8/16 bar cycle so the theme breathes. That helps avoid fatigue. Pan supporting elements subtly and apply light compression or sidechain keyed to the kick to maintain clarity when sound effects play. Once the texture sits well, print stems for easier mixing and to test how it behaves with real UI sounds. Finish by making practical deliverables: a full loop, a subtle ambient version, and a short intro cue for quick screens. Mix toward a stable target loudness like -14 LUFS and export separated stems for adaptive middleware so the audio can change with game state. Once exported, test in context and confirm looping feels seamless. If you hear frequency clashes with sound effects, carve conflicting bands with EQ or implement dynamic ducking routed from game events. That single tweak solves most masking problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.